Hi everyone, it's Test71. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I decided to take apart my good old Hanimex first generation video game console Pong-like from the 70s that never worked since I bought it. So today I decided to completely take it apart and check one by one all the fucking components. Although, well, I have little suspicions about the resistors right there. That seems to be a little bit burnt. But still, anyway, I want to test everything one by one. So, and I wanted to take advantage of this situation to show you how to test a loudspeaker with a multimeter. So first, you gonna read the value that's written on your loudspeaker. So you can see that here it's written 8 ohms. And you're gonna set your multimeter to the value that is just above this, what's written on the loudspeaker. So here it's 200 ohms. And you take this, no matter left, right, you don't give a shit, it's like a resistor. So, yeah, you put it like that, and you read the value on the multimeter, and well, we can see here it's 7.3, 7.4, it's quite close to 8 ohms, so it means that our loudspeaker is okay. For the rest of the console, I don't know, but at least this loudspeaker from the 70s is still alright.